Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Prerna and in today's video I am going to unbox my Purplle order. So this is the box which I received. Now I am opening it. I will mention all the links down below the video in the description box. The products that I have purchased from Purplle. So I have completed opening of outer packaging. Now I'm opening this box by removing this tape. So I have removed outer packaging and now as you can see everything is nicely packed with bubble wraps in the box. So guys, first of all, this is Dundalk Honest Sign. This is my free gift sample pack. Sunscreen. I got sunscreen. Have a look on this. Paraben free, sulfate free, cutely free, sweat resistant, water resistant, UVA, UVB protection. This is of Dundalk Honest Science company. In my cart is this Good Vibes Saffron Day Cream. I recently started using Good Vibes cream and I like them really most. I was using Good Vibes Rose Hip Day Cream, but this time I bought this Good Vibes Saffron Day Cream. Okay, the next in my cart is this Good Vibes Grape Seed and Orange Night Cream. I was last using Good Vibes Avocado Cream and it was really good. I really love these Good Vibes creams. They are so moisturizing, they are paraben free and they makes my skin so soft and supple that I have dry skin before, but after using these Good Vibes creams my face is so smooth and all roughness dryness has gone from my face. Texture of saffron cream. This is very filly in quantity. Like when we purchased some creams and they were almost half of the bottle, but this is completely full. Texture of grapeseed and it smells like literally oranges. I love this fragrance. So my next product in this cart is this. Let me open this and show you. Look, I have ordered this Good Vibes Vitamin C Glow Face Wash. I haven't used any Good Vibes face wash, but I want to try this. And this is vegan, no animal testing on it. And this is no paraben. After using Good Vibes creams, I really wanted to use other products of Good Vibes as I just love these products. This night volume is 120 ml. This is for rupees 215, but I got discount over all my products. See how the cute this packaging is. It's so clear and transparent. Face wash in it. Okay, so my next product in my cart is, let me. This time I have ordered Alps Goodness Orange Body Wash. This is of 300 ml. Previously I was using Mamaearth Tea Tree and Neem Body Wash. It was very good, but I wanted to try something different this time. And as you can see, this is 300 ml liter bottle of rupees 299, but I got discount on it also. See, its color is so orangish as it's orange body wash. Okay, so next product in my cart, I got this loofah with this body wash for free. This is my free gift. This is for rupees 99, but I got this free as it was in the offer. Okay, so my last product is this. I got this also for free. This is N by Bay brightening for perfect base. I got this cute little pouch for free. Yeah, this is all for today. See you in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.